The Amazon Rainforest. Uncovering the secrets of the world's largest tropical rainforest. Welcome, explorers of the unknown, to an extraordinary adventure through the heart of the Amazon Rainforest. Today, we embark on a mesmerizing journey, uncovering the secrets of this magnificent realm. Join me as we delve into the depths of the Amazon, where mystery, biodiversity, and ancient traditions converge to create an unparalleled experience. The Amazon's untamed majesty. Behold the untamed majesty of the Amazon rainforest. It's a living masterpiece, teeming with life. From the stealthy jaguars prowling through the undergrowth to the vibrant macaws soaring high above, this sprawling green tapestry is a sight to behold. Let's explore the intricate web of life that sustains this awe-inspiring ecosystem, and learn about the vital role the Amazon plays in maintaining our planet's ecological balance. Indigenous cultures and ancient traditions. Our journey takes us deep into the heart of the rainforest, where ancient traditions and indigenous cultures thrive. Meet the guardians of this land, the indigenous communities, who have lived here for centuries. Experience their rich cultural heritage, witness their mesmerizing rituals, and learn about the profound connection they share with the natural world. It's a testament to human resilience and harmony with nature. The thrill of the unknown. Get ready for the thrill of a lifetime. We're navigating the Amazon's winding waterways and trekking through dense foliage. Brace yourselves for encounters with river dolphins, caimans, and even elusive anacondas. Feel the adrenaline as we venture into uncharted trails, discovering hidden waterfalls and encountering rare species found nowhere else on Earth. This is the Amazonian adventure of your dreams. Environmental challenges and conservation efforts. But our journey isn't just about marveling at nature's wonders. We also confront the harsh realities facing the Amazon. Deforestation, illegal logging, and climate change threaten this fragile paradise. Yet, there's hope. Meet the unsung heroes, conservationists and local communities, working tirelessly to protect and restore the Amazon's splendor. Discover how you can join this vital cause and make a difference. Unveiling ancient mysteries. As we venture deeper, we unveil the secrets of ancient civilizations hidden beneath the foliage. Lost cities and archaeological wonders emerge from the depths of time. Explore enigmatic ruins, marvel at intricate artwork, and unravel the mysteries of these ancient cultures. The Amazon rainforest not only holds natural wonders but also a rich tapestry of human history waiting to be discovered. A symphony of sounds. Close your eyes and listen. The Amazon rainforest sings. Its symphony of sounds, from the melodies of exotic birds to the buzzing of insects and the distant roars of howler monkeys, tells a story of life and survival. Discover the fascinating ways in which plants and animals communicate, creating a harmonious orchestra that echoes through the trees. The River of Life. And then, there's the mighty Amazon River, the heartbeat of this lush paradise. Cruise along its powerful currents, witnessing the unique aquatic wonders that call it home. From vibrant tropical fish to the iconic pink river dolphins, this river sustains life in ways unimaginable. It's a reminder of nature's incredible interconnectedness. The call to action. As our journey nears its end, we must heed the call to action. The Amazon's future hangs in the balance. Illegal mining, unsustainable agriculture, and climate change threaten this precious ecosystem. But together, we can make a difference. Learn about sustainable practices, support conservation efforts, and raise your voice for the Amazon. Our actions today shape tomorrow. Thank you for joining us on this unforgettable expedition through the Amazon rainforest. It's a realm of wonder, where nature and culture intertwine, inviting us to appreciate the delicate balance that sustains life on Earth. Let's preserve this natural treasure for generations to come. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, share it with your friends, subscribe and ring the bell for more fascinating explorations into the wonders of our world. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep protecting our planet. Goodbye, explorers.